baby, I ain't never met no one.
In today's video, I am designing a modern cafe brand logo from scratch. I will take you through the entire process, from research and concept development to the final brand presentation.
Let me tell you what I'm trying to do with you. Like, ooh, baby, take my hand, let me ride away with you. Away with you.
Today's project is a cafe brand called Brew Heaven. It's a modern cafe brand designed for young professionals who enjoy premium coffee experience in comfortable environment, where Brew represents quality coffee and Heaven reflects peaceful space to relax and recharge. The design style we are aiming for is modern and minimal, keeping everything clean, simple and elegant. After understanding the brand brief, the next step is research and visual exploration. I look at existing cafe brands to understand trends, typography styles and visual directions. Then I start collecting inspiration to define how the brand should look and feel. And I collecting references related to cafes, coffee culture, typography style, color palette, and interior aesthetics. Since Brew Heaven is a modern minimal coffee brand, I focus on clean layout, warm tones, natural texture, and premium visual elements. Once the visual directions is clear, I move into the sketching phase.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know it would mess me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend. Think we hit our expiration date. I want you to feel the weight, feel the hate that I felt when we came to an end. You don't get to call me up, tell me that you need forgiveness. You're the one who called it off, broke my heart in just a minute. No, you don't get to call it love when it wasn't even close. No, it wasn't even close. I was young, dumb, and broken when I met you that night. Should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. But I won't put the blame.
Alright, so this is the sketching phase of Brew Heaven logo. Before jumping into Illustrator, I always like to explore different ideas on paper. Sketching helps me think freely and generate multiple concepts quickly. After researching the brand, I started sketching different logo ideas for Brew Heaven. For this coffee brand, I wanted the logo to represent two main ideas, coffee and heaven. So I started experimenting with different elements like coffee cups, team shapes, wings and clouds. The wings symbolize the heaven concept, while the coffee cup obviously represents the brand core product. You can see here I tried few different combinations, some with wings, some with clouds, and some focusing only on the coffee cup shape. Finally, I selected this concept here as the main direction. The idea is a coffee cup placed on a cloud with rising steam, which visually communicates the feelings of a heavenly coffee experience. Now that the concept is finalized, the next step is to take this sketch into Adobe Illustrator.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is...
After selecting the sketch, it's time to move into the vectorizing phase. I recreate the chosen concept digitally using vector software to ensure the logo remains clean, shootable and professional.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes? two. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No.
And I'm pretty much happy with this brand look like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da.